What up, guys? On this channel, we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops, and other investments based on crypto. But this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. In this video, I'll be discussing about a brand new mining site, and I've posted this on my Telegram channel a couple of days ago. So if you have not joined the Telegram channel, this is an opportunity for you to join to get fast updates. When you click on the link in the description box below, it's going to bring you straight up here. We're not logging in, so you just click on the sign up button. You need to enter in your name, that's your real name, enter your phone number, but before you do that, change the country code to your own country, then enter your username, create a username for yourself, enter your email address here and enter a password, then click on I'm not a robot, then you sign up. So after doing that, they're going to send you a code as OTP on your email address. You copy the code, you paste it here, then you sign up. As you can see, registration successful. That is step one. We're done with that. Let's continue. So now it's going to bring you back to the login page. All you do is just log in properly. So now we are officially on the site, which is the Revive Mining. These are the total miners, and also this is the total Revive mined. You can see here Revive Mining and get free HIVE token. Clicking on the menu bar now, you can see we have the home, profile, security, referral, mission, and logout. But now I want to go straight to the mining now. I will be explaining the others in a bit. On the mining now, you can see I don't have any HIVE mined now. And coming down now, I'll just need to click on start mining. But that is not the case here. Once you click on the start mining now, to be able to start mining, you need to complete at least 2 missions. So to do that now, we need to go back to the menu and then go on to the mission. You can see here, ready to mine, complete your task job first. So that is what we want to do now. So for the first task here, we need to follow them on Twitter, like, comment, requote their tweet. So I'll do this one by one for you to get. When you click on this follow us now, it's going to take you straight to their Twitter account. So that's where you just click on the follow and then you come back to that page. If you're still with me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Let's go back into the video. Now that we're done following them, we need to do the second thing here, which is a like, comment and retweet. So we just click on the retweet here. So you can see this is the post they want us to like, comment and retweet. But we're not just going to do the retweet, we are going to quote retweet. If you click on fill your tags, now you can see everything you need to do here, even properly. So now on this field here, this is where they want us to enter the requote or the retweet we made. So before I come back to this, let me do all the needful and I'll come back to this. So on the post now, I've just liked the post. The second thing I'll be doing here is I'll be making a comment. Just make any comment. You can see I just typed good. So once I post this, that's the second thing. The third thing to do here is to requote this tweet. So once you click here now, you have the repost and the quote. So we'll be clicking on the quote. So the quotes, you just need to post anything, just write anything good, maybe like a good project, something like that. So after doing that now, you just click on the post. Once you've completed the quote, the next thing to do here is go to your profile. So on your profile, that will be the first thing, that will be the first post you'll see. So all you do is just copy the link or click on share and copy the link. It's still the same thing. So once I copy the link here, so coming back to the site now, this is where I'll be posting the link, then I'll click on send. So as you can see now, confirmation task job was sent. So let's look for the second task to do, which is join the Telegram channel. Then you'll be posting your Telegram ID to them for them to verify. To make this one simple, there's no link here for you to click. So all you do is copy this and post it in your Google Chrome to search and go directly to your Telegram. So once you join the Telegram channel, all you will do here is just come over to the fill your tags, and once you click there, you can see here all they need here is just for you to input your Telegram username. After doing that, click on the send button. So the next thing you'll get here is confirmation task job was sent. So now scrolling down, you can see the status done for the second task, and also scrolling down again, you can see the status done for the first task also. So now we're good to go. We've done 2 tasks here and we're ready for mining. So the next thing to do is click on the menu, click on mining now. So once you click on the start mining, they are not going to give you any excuse now than to start mining. Now you can see I've started mining, and for 1 hour I'll be getting 0.2 HIVE token, and for the next 24 hours I need to come back and restart again. Now going over to the menu, I checked on the profile. So on the profile now, this is where you could add your EVM wallet address, but for now I'm not sure it's very available. So all you do is, once it's available, I'll be posting the update and you can add your EVM wallet over here. It's a brand new mining site, so I get updates will be coming soon. So for the security referrals, you know what all those things mean. So for the referrals, that's where you get your referral code to send to your friends for them to join the network. Like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel for fast updates. See you on my next video. Stay always blessed.